Hi everybody, I'm Shimron. I'm the co-founder and developer at Autoflow. Introducing to you guys Autoflow. Autoflow is an end-to-end optimization tool, phase one of a three-phase suite of tools for end-to-end optimization and maximization of profits and results for fast-moving consumer goods clients and retail. Our clients are businesses who are in the FMCG space. Let's take a look at what it is. So moving on to the demo, you go to orderflow.online and you are greeted with a landing page that shows you what Orderflow is. Essentially, Orderflow, or Phase 1, is a store inventory management, billing, invoicing, and analytics platform that helps you build the customers, handle returns, uh, generate invoices, manage stocks, inventory analysis, do all that stuff. So why? Data is fragmented in FMCG space. Often systems don't talk to each other, and it's just messy. What we're trying to do is fix it and improve on the base system that we're creating right now. Logging in, you are greeted with a page like this where you can see the returns, or actually the bills and the invoices generated. You could always print it to a printer that you have connected to the system, share it, download it. It also shows you the average transaction, total sales, and you are always able to search it up for a new bill, like Shimron. This one is a bill generated for me. Going into the store listings page, you get to add items to your store like this. These are items that I have in my store. I got 3 items: pineapples, eggs, and store items, sample store item, which is for testing purposes. None of these bills right here that you see are actual. These are all done for testing purposes, only to show you guys a demo of the product. You could click on the add item button and add an item to your store. Store item test, and it's available in ounces. I got 35 ounces of it, or more like 350 ounces, and price per ounce is going to be $10. Tax on item is 8%. Custom orders. So custom orders is when another person or a person walking into a store buying an item is allowed to buy in loose quantity. So like 3.2 ounces. Let's say the customer says that they want 3.2 ounces as a custom order. So turning this on would allow the customer to order like that. Let's turn it off and add item. And there you go. Store item, custom ounces right there. You could also import and export data, which makes it easier if you're trying to add a new store into the system. And going into returns, you're allowed to add returns. Let's say a client that you built, Jared, brings in something that he bought: ice cream sandwich, Jaguar, and tomato, and he wants to return, let's say, the Jaguar. 20 bucks is full, restock, and you get to restock the item, or you get to throw it out, in which case it would be gone. So click on restock, select the reason, and overriding price 2800. Add in a reason. Reason for restock is size issue, and create return. Let's say, so you are greeted with a status right here. It's a pending return. You can view it, and you are shown the results. And I'm just going to reject return, in which case it would be rejected. No difference would be made. And going into the metrics page, which is our most important page, you are shown basic metrics right here, which is available in the free version. But going into the advanced metrics, you are shown daily changes, percentage changes, average percentage change. Going into the product performance, it shows you a chart wherein you can see the best product, or the best product in terms of growth, and the worst product in terms of growth. um, items that are volatile, items that are negative in growth but and highly volatile, Sharpe ratios of each item that brought in the most revenue, item that brought in average revenues, stuff like that, the consistency of each item that's being sold. These sample datas are all test dummy data. It's not real. Going into product correlations, you can see the relation between two items, and two pairs have been generated with strong complementary correlation. In this case, it is ice cream sandwich and onions and potatoes and tomatoes, which means people are buying them together, in which case you could change the placement or stuff like that to maximize your sales. Going into inventory optimization, you get to see this graph right here, which is an adaptation or an inspiration from finance, modern portfolio theory from finance. This one shows you the portfolio or the mix of items with maximum growth, mix of item with maximum stability, and mix of item with minimum volatility. So you get to optimize your stock like this in case you want a maximum stable growth. You also get to see which item has the best Sharpe ratio, the risks of each items, and total number of portfolios calculated, and the average range, risk return ranges, etc. You could also view the sales and return chart right here. And finally, you get to see the AI analytics or AI insights about your store, so the AI model goes through the data from your store and then generates an analysis based on the data provided. Volatile product management, diverse product portfolio, plan for seasonal demand changes, stuff like that. You also get to cancel your subscription anytime you want. And this is just, that's it. That's the main product. Hopefully you guys liked it and enjoyed it. This is just a phase one of a three-phase suite of products, which the upcoming phases are even more complex and complicated. OrderFlow is gonna go into these upcoming phases with ease in a more complementary way, which would help our clients, who are businesses, to maximize their growth and get themselves ready for a future with AI and a more technologically immersive experience for their clients. Well, that's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you visit orderflow.online, and you get to see autoflow.online right here. Well, that's it for this video. Make sure you guys visit orderflow.online, test it out, try it out, and let us know how it is.